So, but I am recording a massive storm here. And I think we're on a thunder warning. Look at it. Can you hear that, guys? Mum, did you hear that one? Oh my god. My glacier doesn't hit the ground. Oh, I bet that sounds amazing as well. Did you hear that? Oh.
It's rumbling.
Oh my god, guys, did you hear that? Jesus. Keep listening, Mum. Oh, it's raining. I'm still gonna stay out and get wet. Yeah, I love getting wet. But that sounds amazing too. Oh, Jesus. Don, did you hear that? I can't record it on my phone because it can't hear it. But everyone in the UK could hear that. Not everyone in the UK. Keep listening. Catching this on video as well. Massive thunderstorm. This is going to be part 1.
It's right, guys. Do you think we're going to have a lot of rumbling, do you think? Or?
No, yeah, but no lightning.
You like that bit though, don't you?
Yeah, but no lightning.
Why? You like that bit though?
There might not be lightning. Imagine if we... Imagine
That's the plane.
imagine
Cool,
if...
what was that? That was lightning. Rumbling and rumbling.
Imagine if we had a tornado.
Hey love, you left your washing on the line, darling. That was dry about an hour ago.
Oh my god. Rainwater's always worse.
A bucket's out there as well. Bowl, bucket, cup that's pushable. That'd be filled up with a bit raining.
Oh my god.
So that's piss it anyway.
Yeah.
Push it away from us all.
Yeah. So it's nearly over.
No, it's just pushing that way. It's down over.
So it's still not over.
No, I think it's coming this way. It's coming over us. As you look over there, it's going that way.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's coming over.
It ain't nearly over, is it?
Probably. It's probably just
Going to go over us, probably.
What? Jesus Christ, I need to see my lens. Look at these. I caught a few rumbles.
I think I'm lightning right over there.
Yeah,
What?
It's coming from over there, I think. Over there.
Oh no.
All round to there.
Did you see it?
Over like
I thought I saw lightning down there. I want to run over and get her. Leave it on the doorstep.
Look, that looks like a tornado. Well, I'm getting.
She's not going to get swept away in a tornado.
I'm not even getting
You're that fucking scared.
My bike!
Using that little thing.
Shoot my bike! Get my bike, quick.
Move out of the way then.
Oh, flashy flash.
See that, guys?
Yeah.
I got metal in the hands. I don't want to
Rubber in
know.
your hands, all right. You got rubber. You're touching
Is
rubber.
it just passing us?
Woo-hoo! You've got to keep it up at the clouds, Bob. What are you doing? You're getting the Elsies, not the Elsies, clouds.
Ooh, flashy flash.
Is it pouring it down?
Yeah. This is your punishment for being mad feet. Get out there and do 20 push-ups.
Run around this block of fat 2 times.
No. Why are you out there, Mum?
Because she's brave. Oh, that full washing.
Oh!
Was it like this at the night? Mum, come in.
Oh, mate, Nicola went round the shop.
They run round in a minute, so I've moved that way, kid. She's going to run round the
Tasha
corner.
was round and went round there on her bike. Nicola's walked round there. When you see them coming, move out of the way so they ain't getting.
Oh no, Tasha and Nicola are going to be so...
You should stay there with towels waiting for them, don't you?
Yeah,
Come here, let's dry you off. Get here, Toya.
Can't even look.
Oh, eyes. Scotty feet, man. Splashing off.
Oh my god, it's not freezing out there.
I caught some of it on video anyway.
Yeah.
Go on, run out here. Go on, Dad, go on. Run out.
Ah!
Well, at least we don't have
This
power.
is unpregnant.
Ah!
Yeah, you think this is unpregnant? I can feel it. Right on my foot.
Right, get out there.
Quick! Child services! They won't push me out the ring! Did she let you back in yet? Oh, whatever. I should kick you out.
Don't
Oh,
do
no,
that.
full washing. Oh, look, it's really a spin.
Please don't push me out there.
Terrible.
Mommy, I'm cold.
You're cold, go and get your jacket on.
I'm gonna put my jacket on. I'm cold.
Hoodie. Go and get your hoodie on. Go and get your...
You got cardigans and stuff.
She ain't. She ain't got... She likes this part of it.
Well, you know, jackety thingy over the arms, keep it clean. Oh, that is coming down nice now.
That's
It's
why.
gonna be a flood. We need to get Nicholas strapped.
We'll need a boat in a minute. See if we had a little toy boat, that'd go down. Down there. Wickedly, that will. We had a toy boat down that little river.
We're all gonna get flooded.
We had a little toy boat, we can put it down there on the curve on the car park.
I think there'll be more thunder, thunder and lightning.
Can't even make a paper boat.
It will get wet by the rain.
That will... It's the weather for it, but...
I was saying, if we had a little boat, that'd go straight down the curve, lovely. Look at that really river, look at it.
Is that a summer storm? Is that a summer storm?
Oh, it is a summer storm, look at it.
Tropical storm.
Maybe the birds might get hit by the rain. Maybe the birds will get hit by the rain and fall down.
Oh, isn't it?
Poor birds.
If that was
Pick a
alright,
raindrop on a window and sees her wings. There's too fucking many of them.
Oh, look at that. Next time, do not push me out. It's so cold.
Stop pushing her out, Mother.
Can you help me?
What, we not push her? No, you
can't
can't
get rid of it.
Done it. Oh, no.
So yeah, guys, we'll be back for more in a minute.